In a mission to inspire, empower and support young change makers, Two Impact philanthropist, founder of Impulse NGO Network Hasina Gharbi and climate activist Carlos Navarro Martinez have come together under a mission called Journey with Purpose. Hasina and Martinez, along with philanthropists from different countries, will carry out a 9-day journey from Shillong, Meghalaya to Pokhara, Nepal, where Martinez is seeking climate justice and Hasina's focus area is unsafe migration. The duo also urged those interested to join them on this journey. Royal Enfield is also on board this journey, and 2 riders will be part of the ride that was flagged off yesterday from Shillong.
We believe that we will work towards looking at innovations which are done by young millennials and how they can challenge our whole ecosystem, and how these innovations can actually lead to furtherization of climate impact, as well as how they can reduce migration issue is leading to human trafficking based on the experiences, because these are so correlated to each other. I'm so glad that Royal Enfield is on board in this journey, and I think we have these 2 amazing riders to come and join all of you, and how Catholic philanthropists can actually change the whole ecosystem of what we believe can really take place. I